Alright, let's talk about something a lot of drivers run into. Your car is cruising down the road, but it keeps pulling to one side like it has a mind of its own. It's not only annoying, but it can also be unsafe if you don't get it sorted out. We've seen this issue plenty of times in the shop, and usually it comes down to a handful of common causes. Let's go through them together and figure out how to get your ride tracking straight again. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. Wheel alignment is off. One of the most common reasons for a car to pull is bad wheel alignment. Over time, hitting potholes, curbs, or just regular wear can throw your wheels out of alignment. When that happens, one wheel might be pointing slightly off-center, so the car naturally drifts. The fix here is simple. Get a proper wheel alignment done, and your steering should feel centered again. Uneven tire pressure. You'd be surprised how many times we find that a pulling problem is just a tire pressure issue. If one tire, especially on the front, has less air than the other, it changes the rolling resistance and pulls the car to that side. A quick check and adjusting your tire pressure to the recommended PSI can make the problem disappear in minutes. Worn or damaged suspension parts. If your suspension components, like control arm bushings, ball joints, or struts, are worn out, they can cause the car to handle unevenly. This can lead to a constant pull to one side, especially over bumps. Replacing worn suspension parts not only solves the pulling problem, but also improves the overall safety and comfort of your ride. Brake issues. Sometimes a sticking brake caliper or uneven brake pad wear can cause your car to pull, particularly when braking. If one side grabs harder than the other, it will yank the car in that direction. The fix might be as simple as cleaning and lubricating the caliper pins, or you might need new pads, rotors, or even a caliper replacement. Tire wear or defects. If your tires are worn unevenly or one tire is damaged internally, like a shifted belt, it can cause pulling at certain speeds. This isn't something you'll always see at a glance. Sometimes we have to spin the tire on the balancer to spot the issue. The cure is replacing the bad tire and making sure all four have even tread wear. Road conditions and camber. Not every pull means something is wrong with your car. Roads are often built with a slight slope, camber, for water drainage, and that can make your car drift a little. But if the pull is strong or happens on all types of roads, then it's likely one of the mechanical issues above. If your car is pulling to one side, don't ignore it. It can make driving tiring and even dangerous if it gets worse. Most of these fixes are quick and straightforward once you find the cause, so get it checked out before it turns into a bigger repair.